Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset a Google Nest Doorbell. And to do this, first we'll need to find the reset slot, which is located right here under the power plug. You can see the little gap. Then take something like SIM ejection tool that I have right here, or something very thin that you can fit inside, and then simply slide it in. Click on that button, you'll hear the click, and hold it for a few seconds. Let's let go. And our Ring doorbell should return to factory settings. You will also hear the indicator. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.